In this video, let me show you how to use the PayPal cashback reward feature. Now within the application of PayPal, you just need to head over to the offers tab, which you should be able to view within the home page. So within the home page, just head over to offers and you can earn cashbacks by shopping via the Save Merchants offer. So within the offers page, you're going to see different merchants that are selling variety of items, and depending upon your case, you could earn up to 5% cashback on the chosen categories. As you buy within this platform, your points within PayPal are going to increase, and the increased points can be easily redeemed. So again, within the section, you can tap on the redeem option, and this is the section where you are able to redeem your points. So simply tap on the redeem now option, and then either you could transfer this as a balance into your PayPal account, or you could also use this for online checkouts or transfer funds to a linked bank account or a debit card as well. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.